I'm so sorry for my hair. Mukha na naman siyang hinalukay ng manok. Anyway, for today's video, we're going to talk about the products I've been loving for the month of March and some of the products that not really hate. Hate is a very strong word. Products that are not really my favorite, like my makeup life can move on without them. Medyo madami-dami tayong pag-uusapan, guys, so let's start. Miss muna tayo. First product na hindi ko masyadong napusuan for the month of March, actually for the forever, it's this product right here, and this is from Sunnies Face. Ito yung kanilang Blur Balm, the Perfector Face Filter. Original price ito is almost 600 pesos. Pero binili ko to nung nag-sale yung Sunnies Face, and I got it for like 300 something, or maybe less. I was really curious about this product nung una siyang nilaunch, kaya lang masyado siyang mahal for me. So I took advantage nung nagkaroon ng sale yung Sunnies Face, so I got it. And guys, thank God hindi ko siya binili nung una siyang nilaunch because wala siyang masyadong use for me. In my personal experience, in my lifestyle, in my everyday routine, in my preference. Halimbawa, etong blur. Yung blurring, totoo naman na meron siyang slight blurring effect. Makikita mo talaga na kahit pa paano, may very little change. Pero hindi siya yung parang, teka, nauhaw ko. Pero hindi siya yung parang, wow, it's really blurring. I don't like the blurring part kasi medyo heavy siya. And it's a stick. So, alam mo yun, parang mainit siya sa balatday. Ngayon, yung bombing, it's going to give you like sorta kinda wet look skin. Ganda siya gamitin kung wala kang kahit ano on top of your face. Wala kang BB cream, wala kang foundation, or kahit tinted moisturizer. Well, yeah, siguro. Siguro pwede yung tinted moisturizer. Kasi dahil stick siya, and alam mo yun, medyo nagdadrag siya. So, hindi siya magandang gamitin on top of a foundation or BB cream. In my personal experience, you guys, ha. Tapos, parang eme lang. Eme lang yung effect niya, dahil. Alam mo yun? Like, kailangan mong damihan yung lagay para makuha mo talaga yung medyo shiny, shimmering, or wet look effect that you like. Instead of this, mag-face gloss ka na lang, which is, by the way, part of our list, pero mamaya nasa hits yun. At dahil doon, hindi siya worth it for the price. Next miss, you guys, is this product right here. This is the Sunnies Face Air Blush Cheek Tint in the shade Biscuit. Don't get me wrong, ang ganda ng air blush, you guys, ng Sunnies Face, except for this shade right here. This is Biscuit. Meron ako ng Raz and I loved it, and I do recommend that you try the other shades. Pero medyo pag-isipan nyo tong Biscuit, you guys. So, para siyang a little bit of burnt orange na mala nudie-nudie-ish. Now, ang bilis niyang mawalay, dye. Ang bilis niyang mawalay kasi dahil ba medyo para siyang your skin, close to your skin tone, ang bilis niyang mawalay. It's not that long-lasting kumpara dun sa other shades. Again, I have Raz, and yun, long-lasting yun kahit papaano, and really pigmented. Pero eto, dye, nawawalay talaga siya agad-agad, dye, na alam mo yun, parang wala pang kalahati ng araw. Actually, parang mga 2 hours lang, wala na siya. So, sayang. Ngayon, hindi naman siya parang pang-bronzing or pang-contouring kasi it's too warm. Pang-blush talaga siya. Kaya lang, yun nga, dahil siguro sa shade niya, mabilis siyang mawalay. So, I'm not loving the shade Biscuit, but the other shades, yung mas deeper dito, and yung mga pop of colors, that I love. So, yun. Next miss for me is this one right here. This is from Happy Skin. Ito yung On The Glow Instant Complexion Perfector. Moisturize and Blend. Now, this is a miss. This is so mahal kapag hindi mo binili on sale. Original price ito is 1,099. Kaya lang naka-sale ngayon yung Happy Skin. 299 na lang siya. Pero dahil pag-isipan mo, ha, kasi, okay, maganda yung formula nung mismong, anong tawag dito, nung mismong product. Kaya lang hindi ko napupusuan is the mechanics of it. Yung sponge applicator. So, ang system kasi is you swipe it, and then you blend it like that. Kaya lang hindi kasi sanitary yung alam mo yon, yung mga ganitong applicator. Tapos, hindi mo naman pwedeng gamitin yung mismong sponge to blend it on your entire face. That's going to take you forever. Plus, it's going to be messy para dito. So, what I do is, I swipe it on my skin, tas gagamit pa ako ng ibang makeup tool to spread it on my face or to blend on my face. And parang nahaselan ako. Pero yung formula ng mismong product, okay naman siya. Light lang din yung coverage niya. Buildable, I'm not, parang hindi siya aabot sa medium coverage. It's pang lightweight, pang everyday. Okay naman siya. But then again, ayoko nga yung applicator. It's not sanitary and, medyo hassle gamitin. Next product, you guys. Last na to, and this is from Happy Skin ulit. Ito yung Pinch Me Summer-Proof Natural Lip and Cheek Stick. Kasama to sa mist products ko, guys. Kasi, stick siya, diba? Uneven yung uneven siyang ma-apply sa skin mo. Mainit sa balat. Not necessarily sticky. Parang oily na, heavy na, alam mo yung sebo de macho feel. Parang ganun to, guys. So, this is a mist for me. And medyo mabalmy siya. Parang hindi siya maganda on top of a BB cream or foundation kasi magdadrag siya. This is really good kapag ka, you know, bare-faced ka lang talaga. Okay, so yun na lahat ng mga products na hindi ko masyadong napupusuan. For the month of March, ngayon, bumawi tayo sa ating mga favorites. First favorite, you guys, is, let's go for skincare. This one is from Fresh Skin Lab. Blah. It's so hard to talk with my retainers. Always say that sa lahat ng videos ko. This is the Jeju Aloe Eyes Booster Serum. And naubos ko na siya and I loved it because it's a very, very good moisturizer, you guys. I use it day and night and I can really feel na hindi nagda-dry yung skin ko. Nilalagay ko to sa gabi, double layers, like dalawang patong. And pagkagising ko sa umaga, maaliwalas yung yung skin ko. Fresh looking. Hindi siya dry, hindi siya dull. So, I really love this and I think I'm going to repurchase this one. Itong Jeju Aloe Eyes Booster Serum, and I do recommend you try them. Hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng any allergic reaction to it. Yeah, I really liked it. Next product, guys. Alam niyo na to, ilang beses ko nang binida sa inyo to. This is the Pond's Insta Bright Glow Up Cream, but in particular, itong shade na Pearly Aura. This is really gonna give you a Korean-like skin. Hindi man permanent, pero alam mo yun, pagkalagay mo, instant brightening effect, instant shiny shimmering, instant glass skin. Alam mo yun? Ang ganda. I really love this. Highly recommend you try this. By the way, this is a moisturizer, a primer, and then you can also use it as a highlighter, and you can mix it with your foundation or your BB cream. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa iba't ibang paraan, you guys. This is really affordable and I loved it. I can't live without this. My makeup life can't move on without this. Next, na nga yung sinasabi ko. Palagpasin nyo na yung face filter ng Sunnies Face. Kung gusto nyo ng wet look effect, rekta na kayo dito. Rekta na tayo dito dahil sa face glass. Eto, antayin nyo mag-sale. Nagsasale naman yung Sunnies Face. Saka kayo bumili ng bonggang-bongga. Pero, etong face gloss, eto talaga legit dye ang magbibigay sa'yo ng wet look feel more than the bomb effect ng The Perfector. I'm wearing it right now, very subtle, like over here. Well, basically everywhere. Mostly dito sa cheeks ko. I'm using it as a highlighter on my nose. Saan pa ba? Oo. And I really love it. Una ko nakuha yung shade na Nova. I love it so much. So, I got the shade Cosmic Girl. Ito yung medyo ma-pinky. Yeah. But it's really, really nice, you guys. It's more like, para siyang magiging in one with your skin. So, I like this better on days na gusto ko ng parang, alam mo yun, natural yung pagiging dewy ko. Alam mo yun. So, I really love itong face glass. I do recommend you try it. Kung wala kayong budget, antayin nyo mag-sale yung Sunnies Face. Nagsisale naman sila. At pag nag-sale sila, bongga talaga, guys. Alright, so next products are, technically, these products were launched sa Lazada and sa Shopee ng April. But I was able to get it Pasok pa siya ng March. And I'm talking about itong Cheek Heat Gel Cream. Sheer Gel Cream Blush. It's the one I'm wearing right now. I am wearing Nude Burn. Wala siya dito. Andun siya. Naiwan siya. Kasi nga, ginamit ko siya. Highly recommend that you try this kung gusto mo na really natural looking na blush. Kasi ito, didikit talaga to sa skin mo. Parang magme-melt siya on your skin. Hindi siya masyadong halata na naglagay ka ng blush. Well, depende sa base mo. Kung yung base mo is just tinted moisturizer or BB cream o kaya sunblock lang, ay dahil pack na pack to. Pero kung, alam mo yun, nag-foundation ka na with a little, tapos sinet mo na ng powder, medyo iba yung magiging dating niya, no? Pwede mo pa rin naman gamitin, in fairness, pero iba pa rin yung parang natural effect niya kapag ka wala kang powder, any powder na nilagay on your face. And I really love this because long-lasting, perfect for the summer, and yun nga. Meron siya, it's sheer lang siya. So, alam mo yun, hindi ka magugulat sa unang lagay mo, and then you can layer it, depende kung gaano kagrabe mo gusto. Meron akong complete swatch nung mga shades. I'm gonna link it down below. So, please check it out if you're looking for a swatch nung mga Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush. Eto, meron din akong complete lip swatch. May wear test pa. And katatapos lang ng promo ko nito sa Carrie shop ko. I'm talking about itong Milk Touch My Lip. I'm not sure if it's a lip mousse or lip velvet. Hanggang dun na kasi yung title niya, Touch My Lip. But this is one of the best lip products, you guys. It is so pigmented. It is lightweight, cloud-like, very long-lasting. Nagsa-transfer siya ng siguro mga 5 to 10% to little to none. Lalo na kapag maayos yung pagkakaset niya on your lips. Really long-lasting. You have 4 color choices. I'm gonna link the lip swatch down below. Do check it out. And abangan ninyo, magkakaroon ako ng second one ng promo nito sa Carrie shop ko. Free delivery, tapos meron pa mga free beauty items. Papalitan lang namin yung freebie na beauty item. Pero yung recent kong katatapos lang na promo, it was a hair treatment pack. So, abangan ninyo yung susunod kong maging promo nito sa Carrie's shop ko. In probably 2 weeks, I'll let you guys know, of course. Maybelline Super Shea Matte Ink. These 2 shades are from the Summer Spice edition. I have a lip swatch, complete lip swatch. I'm gonna link it down below. And these are the shades Shaker and Discover. Wala na akong masasabi pa sa Maybelline Super Shea Matte Ink. Pinaka long-lasting liquid lipstick. Hulas proof, mask friendly. This is the shade Shaker. Ayan. So Discover is nudie peachy na really good for every day. So, for the month of March, or ever since I got these, yung Summer Spice Edition, palagi kong ginagamit yung dalawang to. Pinagpapalit-palitan ko lang every day. Highly recommended you try it. Super sulit din siya for the price. Now, next product is the one that I'm wearing right now. Dahil hindi ko na-expect na magugustuhan ko to. Pero, this is the Sunnies Face Lip Treat Lip Glow. Ano ba? Lip Treat Lip Glow. In the shade Shell. You guys, binili ko to. Hindi ko siya binili nung una siyang nilaunch kasi dahil ang mahal. Hindi ko siya napupusuan, pero ginetching ko to nung nag-sale yung Sunnies Face. So, around 200 something lang siya. And I really love it because it's like a lip balm na shiny sheer lipstick. I really like the effect. Lalo na itong shade na Chill. But am I gonna buy it on its regular price? Definitely not, because I can achieve this effect using other products. Pero kung nag-sale siya ng 200 something, I'm definitely gonna get it. It's worth it kapag nasa 200 something lang siya. It's really nice for summer. Well, hindi siya mask friendly. Pag nasa bahay ka lang siguro aura. Hindi nga lang hindi siya ganun oh my God, Diyos ko po. Ayun na po yung araw. Oh my God! As I was saying, hindi nga lang siya ganun ka-long-lasting. Pero alam mo yun, carry na. Ganda naman ng effect ko. Antayin natin mag-sale ang Sunnies Face. Magsi-sale yan. Kapit lang. But anyway, yeah, yun na lahat yung ating March hits and miss. Do me a favor, comment down below your favorite makeup products, beauty products, skincare products that you want me to try. Because I'm looking for new products to try and nothing is really appealing to me that much on the market. So baka meron kang hidden gem dyan. Alam mo yun, share mo na yung dye, chika mo na yung dye, magtulungan tayo dito, no? Anyway, antayin ko yung mga comments nyo. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Bakit ganon? Bye-bye!